Jan Dietrich, thanks for joining us here in Munich. It would be good to get your sense, I guess, in terms of the future of logistics. What are you seeing as some of the kind of key drivers in terms of the real estate side?
Oh, there's some big underlying trends. Obviously, as discussed on the panel also, there's a shortage in available plots. This will get worse. It won't get better anymore, even though at least in Germany we have a decent supply of brownfields, but they are sought after by other asset classes as well. Logistics is not always the most popular one for the neighbours. So what will happen also in the interest of the tenants but also of the investors is that logistics facilities, logistics real estate will transform into infrastructure nodes to quite some extent by adding energy production, solar panels, but also hydrogen will most likely play a larger role. Energy storage in terms of battery farms, neighboring. We also have a department which is developing data centers. Data centers produce a lot of heat. So this exchange of energy and also infrastructure available to the general public, charging stations, whether it's for electric energy or hydrogen, we will see what kind of vehicle will use what in the near future. And also servicing points for driverless mobility. This will all change and logistics real estate will develop to quite some extent.
And do you think that focus on energy and energy creation will actually, particularly looking at Germany, be positive in terms of, I guess, the planning constraints that there are at the moment?
That's really the point. It is about making logistics more attractive as a user of the few square meters still available to be transformed into a built-up area, to be sealed. Because the demand is there for additional real estate, logistics space, but there is a strong, it's simply a must, so to speak, to use every square meter we seal to a maximum effect and to also as carbon neutral as we can. So logistics is the baseline, then add a lot of energy production to it to balance the overall CO2 dioxide emission, but also ESG balance as in a total.
Great, thanks very much for joining us, Jan Dietrich.
It was a pleasure.